Bonjour, this week we're going to work on the letter combination OI in French with our pronunciation, and that just says wa, like WA in English, with a short A sound. So, we have croissant, croissant, oiseau, oiseau, moi, moi, toi, toi, poisson, poisson. Au revoir, au revoir. Pourquoi, pourquoi. Tu dois, tu dois. Foi, foi. 60, 60.